ஃபிட்டர் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேங்களா? அது ட்ரேடு தேரி சம்மந்தப்பட்ட கொஸ்டின்ஸு பார்ட் 8. ஓகே, கொஸ்டின்குள்ளே போகலாம் வாங்க. கேஜஸ், வாட் இஸ் த பர்பஸ் ஆஃப் thrust ball bearing? Vertical thrust load. What is the name of bearing? Needle bearing. Which bearing material is used connecting rod and electrical motors? Copper lead alloy. What is the operation of metal coated with other to obtain protecting surface? Electroplating. Which metal powder is used in colorizing process to prevent corrosion? Aluminum powder. What is the temperature required to process the chromizing for prevention of corrosion? 1300 degrees Celsius to 1400 degrees Celsius. Which metal has high resistance to chemical reaction? Nickel. What is the name of part marked X? Ball separating gauge. Which bearing material is used for light loading and low speed application? Cast iron. What is the disadvantage of thrust ball bearing? Cannot take horizontal and end thrust. Why deep groove type of ball bearing races provided in the ball bearing? Withstand axial thrust. Which bearing carry the load parallel to its bearing axis? Thrust bearing. Which bearing material is used best suited for hard journals? Aluminum alloy. Which bearing material has low coefficient of friction and high material cost? Teflon. Which type of bearing used for taking high axial thrust? Tapered roller bearing. What is the name of bearing? Solid bearing. What is the name of bearing? Thrust bearing. What is the name of bearing? Split bearing. What is the part marked as X in the bearing? Ball cage. Which type of bearing used for very heavy radial load? Double row roller bearing. Which type of bearing is designed to take axial thrust as well as radial load? Angular contact ball bearing. What is the name of instrument? Height gauge with slip gauge holder. Which type of bearing metal is self-lubricated? Sintered alloy. Which bearing is used in the limited space? Needle bearing. Which bearing loading is at right angles to the bearing axis? Zonal bearing.